What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Android boxes in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Xiaomi Mi Box S, the best option for most people in pursuit of an Android TV box. The Mi Box S has all the necessary Google licenses, which means that access to YouTube content is completely open. In addition to the Google connection, Xiaomi is also lined up with Netflix, adding a dedicated Netflix button on the remote control and a 4K sticker for all content streamed from the platform. Note that the vast majority of no-name devices offer only 480p support when it comes to this service. Of course, that is not the case here, as the Mi Box S officially supports all other video services and practically offers their use immediately after unpacking the device from the box. The integration of official services was obviously one of the key points the manufacturer paid attention to. Hence, under the hood, we find the almighty Chromecast. With one tap on the screen of the mobile device, you can forward the image to the TV, and if you're welcomed by the Home app. Chromecast works perfectly, without any adjustments and options, and is a great addition that takes the Mi Box S to the next level, and offers what most people are after at a fair price. You can control all of this by voice, with the full range of features provided by Google Assistant. Google Assistant works flawlessly, bringing almost 100% recognition of spoken words, no matter who in the household uses it, all with the click of a button. The rounded body of this device's predecessor was replaced by a new version with slightly sharper edges, measuring 3.75 by 3.75 by 0.65 inches, with a weight of just around 5.1 ounces. The device is made of quality, slightly textured plastic that brings the overtones of premium devices. On the back, there is a range of classic ports, a 3.5mm audio connector, HDMI 2.0A, a USB 2.0 port, and a power adapter port. The Mi Box S comes with 2GB of DDR3 RAM, just like its predecessor, and is powered by a quad-core Cortex A53 processor whose heart beats at 2 GHz. The Mi Box S simply excels. Navigating through menus is fluid, opening apps quickly, and displaying content superb. In short, you cannot go wrong with this one. If you want to save a few dollars and still get yourself a product of decent quality, we have singled out the Pendoo T95. This item comes with the lowest price tag that will still get you a good performance, making it the best budget Android TV box available on the market in 2021. The Pendoo T95 will turn your TV into an entertainment center where you can install applications, watch movies, series, or anything you like via an Android operating system. The device utilizes a quad-core, all-winner H616 processor along with a solid GPU. The set also comes with 4 GB of RAM, as well as 32 GB of internal memory, so we can install applications, games, and even save an odd movie or music file, thanks to its USB connector. And there's a micro SD card reader that can pick things up to 128 GB. The Pendoo T95 supports high resolutions like 4K and even 6K, as well as compatibility with HDR10+ and H.265 decoding technology, two features that significantly improve image quality with richer colors and much more details. Not what we expected from a budget device, right? This TV box connects to our router via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. To connect to our TV, you can use the HDMI output, the best system so as not to lose any image quality. Furthermore, Android TV games users can install on this TV play on a bigger screen than the one that has their smartphone or tablet. Another interesting feature is that you can channel the screen from your smartphone and show it on your large screen TV, a nifty addition with a variety of uses. Considering the low price tag here, you can color us thoroughly impressed. If you want to get the highest value of the product for the money invested, we present you the TUREWELL T95, the best value Android TV box you can find on the market in 2021. This TV box allows you to add smart TV features to that conventional TV in your living room, all on the budget. This model will not only allow you to enjoy a huge universe of multimedia content, apps, and games from the Android catalog, but take things to the next level with a super sleek, compact, and lightweight design. It is much easier to set up than many of its competitors. At the hardware level, the T95 uses the outstanding Allviner H6 microchip, whose 4 Cortex-A53 cores reach clocks of 1.8 GHz, relying on an efficient 4 GB DDR3 RAM slot. This item will not make performance cuts, but will instead always deliver the goods. When it comes to the storage, it's worth noting that although this model has 32 GB of internal memory, the integrated micro SD card slot will allow you to add an additional 32 GB, and thus more storage space for photos, videos, applications, and games. The TUREWELL T95 has an interface that utilizes a minimalist design and offers a quick response when navigating the menu system. From day one, you will have access to a wide catalog of multimedia content on demand through applications that are so often used today, such as Netflix, YouTube, Kodi, and Amazon Prime Video, which are already pre-installed on the device. Furthermore, there is a built-in Google Chrome web browser, a multimedia content browser, a music player, and the appropriate Play Store and Aptoide TV stores. Another of the device's great strengths is the ability of the integrated and GPU to decode H.265 content in 4K Ultra HD resolution and even tackle the 6K format, always at 30 FPS. Apart from the multimedia viewing experience, it should be noted that this model supports high dynamic range content and is compatible with Dolby Digital 5.1 surround sound technology. For the listed price, unbeatable. Up next, check out the Ematic Jetstream, to which we awarded the title of the best mid-range Android TV box that you can find in the market in 2021. Just connect this fella to your TV, turn it into a smart TV, and take advantage of the Android platform directly on the TV screen. Have fun with thousands of apps like Netflix, YouTube, and more, or simply enjoy your digital content stored on USB devices or micro SD cards. With a built-in Chromecast, you can quickly transfer photos, videos, music, and more from your phone, tablet, or computer to your TV. This small box supports high dynamic range, which means images with better contrast, high brightness, and richer colors. A handy Bluetooth remote control with Google Now also contributes to greater convenience. The Ematic Jetstream also boasts a very simple use and a VLAN-driven internet connection. Thanks to the built-in Google Assistant, all you need to do is just press a single button on the remote control to get the information you want. You'll be able to enjoy so much content and entertainment via YouTube, Google Play, etc. The device also supports Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus. The Ematic Jetstream comes with 8 GB of memory, 2 USB ports, a micro SD card slot, and a 4.0 Bluetooth connection. Also included in the mix is the 4K resolution support up to 60 frames per second. You'll have the opportunity to enjoy even more than 450,000 TV shows and movies, and over 4,500 both free and paid channels. The Ematic Jetstream TV box comes in an elegant black and the size of 2 by 4 by 8 inches. It weighs 1.06 pounds. As for the shortcomings, users unanimously agree that this product has no significant flaws that need to be pointed out. A thumbs up from here. After all the carefully summarized reviews, experiences, and opinions, we can freely conclude that the Nvidia Shield TV is the best Android TV box you can find in the market in 2021. Unlike its predecessor, Nvidia Shield TV comes with the Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus processor and many other novelties, including the scaling feature or compatibility with the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. As for the design, the most prominent accessory is the triangular remote control, something that may surprise you at first, but is really pleasant to the touch. The device sports a soft backlight for watching the keys in the dark, which are also of very high quality, along with a microphone to capture your voice and allow us to command the system. Furthermore, there is a button for direct access to Netflix, plus Bluetooth and infrared compatibility. That Nvidia Tegra X1 processor we've mentioned offers up to 25% better performance compared to the predecessor. The mix also includes the Nvidia 256 core graphics, 3 GB of RAM memory, and 16 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. When it comes to connectivity, the device sports a pair of USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI 2.0 output, and an RJ45 connector for the Gigabit Ethernet network. The USB-C connector is a great addition for charging, and we must also mention the Bluetooth 5.0 plus LE connection. The commands are very simple and the ease of use is high. There is a button to display the options menu, and another one to turn the device on and off at the top. Below, a navigation wheel and a central selection button, and one to go back down. In the middle, the voice assistant is located above the multimedia control button, as this remote control has an integrated microphone for Google Assistant. One of the most interesting features for the user is the use of 4K technology to rescale the AI for images and video. What does this mean? Well, Nvidia Shield TV Pro is capable of simulating 4K resolution even though we play content in 720p resolution. This way, non-4K videos or channels can be artificially upgraded to 4K. The device is perfectly compatible with playback in 4K HDR and Dolby Vision HDR10, so it can take advantage of the features of high-end monitors. You will get premium performance, high durability, and the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.